Good day everyone, you are welcome to today's tutorial. I am Emanje Adaviruku. In today's tutorial, I want to take us through the rainfall data for 774 local government areas of Nigeria from 1981 to 2022. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. So I have the rainfall data of Nigeria for all the states and all the local governments here in Excel format. And here you can see the source of the rainfall data, the temporal scope, which talks about the area time coverage from January 1st, 1981 to December 31st, 2022. Then here we have the unit of measurement, which is in millimeter. And the first sheet I have it for FCT, Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. And for Abaji, for example, I have the year in this column. I have the monthly rainfall data here, and I have the annual rainfall. You can see from 1981 to 2022, and here I have the annual, the monthly and the annual. Then for Abuja Municipal, for Gwari and for Gwagwalada, for Kuje and for Kwali, all these LGA or area council in Abuja, this is the rainfall data. And if you come to Abia State, I have it the same way for the monthly rainfall and for the annual rainfall from 1981 to 2022. For Aba South, the same. For all these local government area in Abia State, the rainfall data is available. In case you need this data, check the description box. Then for example, Bauchi State, this is Bauchi. For each of the local governments in Bauchi, the data is available from 1981 to 2022 for all the local governments in each state. And if you come, for example, to Edo State, the same way. So I have it for all the 36 states in Nigeria and the FCT, and for the total LGA, which is 774 local government area. The data is available. If you need to check the description box. So now what can we use this data for? This data can be used, a lot of analysis you can use it for. You may want to see trend analysis, the rainfall trend. For example, you want to see in Akoko Edo, you want to see the trend, maybe annual trend of rainfall from 1981 to 2022. You may want to see the annual trend of this rainfall. Then, of course, flood analysis. You may want to look at flood and rainfall pattern in the area. In many environmental studies, rainfall is an important variable or important factor. And of course, you can also look at crop yield versus rainfall. Actually, most of this analysis, rainfall is just one of the variables. There are other variables. So, but me, I'm just showing you the data availability and how the range from 1981 to 2022, the monthly rainfall and the annual rainfall. So a whole lot of analysis you may want to use rainfall data for. Of course, if you are also considering groundwater potential, a lot of analysis that you may want to use rainfall for. So the rainfall data for each of the local governments in Nigeria is available. If you need to check the description box. So this is rainfall data available in Nigeria at LGA level. Thank you for watching this video.